What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Jasmy, which has hit a little bit of a green day today. As you guys can see, it is up just over 6% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at just below 0.023 cents in value. So we're going to be going through what is next for Jasmy as usual, looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2024, what can we expect from Jasmy, and also looking at buyers and sellers point of view. Is it still worth buying the crypto in 2024? Should you avoid it? Should you buy it? Should you sell it? Or should you simply hold on to it? But before we get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But just a quick point, as you guys can see, it has been pretty much on target like I expected it to do so, dropping down to the resistance target and bouncing back up, and that is exactly what's going on right now. But we'll go in a little bit more detail later on. So for now, let's bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and as usual, the crypto is trading at a slightly higher value than the SMA indicator here in purple, meaning it is pretty much on target and performing better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning gains in value are expected from Jasmy over the next 12 to 14 hours. So essentially by midday to afternoon time, the crypto should be trading at a slightly higher value than it is at the moment, so potentially heading over 0.024 cents in value is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. Again, it is likely to hit red candles in between as well. That is part of the process. As you guys can see here, over the last 12 hours it has gained value, but in between it has hit red candles. So essentially a repeat of what's been happening over the last 12 hours is what I'm expecting over the next 12 hours as well, but minimal increases in value. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Now we're looking a little bit more skeptical. We do have the blue line looking, well, it's flat out going in a straight line, and so is the orange line as well. So essentially what we have is two lines going in a straight line flat out. That would mean an overall fluctuation in value is expected from Jasmy over the next 7 to 8 days, so towards the end of next week. However, even though yes, it is likely to pump up and then drop back down at its current price range over the coming days, I am expecting an overall increase in value from Jasmy over the next 7 to 8 days, potentially heading up to around just under the 3 cents target is what I'm expecting at the moment. However guys, this depends on how the crypto market performs, as it has been quite wavy over the last week or so, with Bitcoin hitting a new all-time high yesterday or the day before. But at the moment, an overall increase in value is what I'm expecting on Jasmy. But again guys, I will keep you guys updated on a daily basis on the crypto to keep you guys in the loop on what to expect and what to predict. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So moving on to the daily chart over the next couple of weeks. Now again, we're still looking straight, going in a straight line flat out guys, but over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so late April, early May 2024, I am expecting Jasmy to have gone for an overall increase in value, trading at a much higher value than where it is at the moment, at least a good 50%, guys. However, in between that time, as I keep saying, I am expecting it to go for a price correction, potentially dropping down to 0.012 cents in value by late March, and then slowly starting to gain value in April and May, heading to around just under 4 cents in value is what I'm expecting at the moment. But with the Bitcoin halving coming on in April, this would have a major impact, not just on Jasmy but the crypto market in general, which I will of course again keep you guys updated on as much as I can. But yeah, so far so good for Jasmy over the long term, but again, do expect little dips and price corrections in between, as that is always part of the process. So getting rid of the MACD indicator and bringing on the Fibonacci scale. So as I explained earlier, it has bounced off the resistance target, and I'm expecting it to head up to the next resistance level here by mid-March, so towards the end of next week. Heading up to this resistance level here is where I'm expecting, potentially just about heading into the blue zone as well by mid to late March, and then potentially dropping back down, as I mentioned, going for a price correction into the lower part of the green zone, and essentially just in the upper part of the red zone, so somewhere around the resistance target is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at before it starts to break out again back into the green and dark green zone by April and May. But again, I will keep you guys updated. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, the trading volume has gone up over 35% in the last 24 hours. Reason being is it has gained a slow and steady gain over the last 24 hours. As you guys can see, 7% up, guys. So there's been a lot more traction, not just for Jasmy but the crypto market in general. So we are seeing a lot more people trading cryptocurrencies, and again, as you guys can see, even though over the week is just about 13% up, we have seen quite a drop here since about the 4th of March all up until here, which was the 8th of March yesterday. It has dropped quite a bit, but right now it is slowly starting to recover, going through a slow recovery, and over the month over 300% up, which is absolutely insane. So let me know in the comment section down below, how high are you guys expecting Jasmy to go in 2024? Are you guys expecting it to break out in the second half of the year? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And also, I've seen a lot of comments saying Jasmy is likely to hit 10 cents by the end of the year and so on. However, for me, 10 cents would be quite of a push, only because it's already pumped up so much. So for it to hit 10 cents, it's going to have to go for a major price percentage increase, which I'm not expecting at the moment. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.